हाँ हेलो गाइस। कैसा है रे तुम लोग? पता नहीं मैं बात ही किससे कर रहा हूँ। एनीवेज, लेट्स स्टार्ट. So I'll be trying to speak in English. I'm not going to speak in Hindi, by the way. If you ask me why, then the only reason is that I'm doing these streams to improve my English, and that's all. That's all I have to say. Anyways, let's start. So for today, we are going to a thick Indian accent. So today we are going to look at no 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 look at some projects. What projects? GSOC projects. Yes, you heard me right. GSOC project. Okay, too cringe. Okay, all right, all right. I'm not going this cringe, but yes, we are going to look at some GSOC projects. And let's see how these projects are. So, I don't know, I might be live, my voice might be clear, but I don't know. I'm not going to check. And I don't know if it's live or not, but who cares? Nobody's going to watch my stream anyway, so why bother? Anyways, let's start with the see just here and there. How can I check out? All right, all right, all right. Wait a minute. Okay, cool, fine. There are few orgs that I want to contribute. So one of them is obviously Rocket Chat. And Rocket Chat might not be the ideal org because it has a lot of competition and there are a lot of good devs that are trying to fit in this org. So my chances might be low, but what's wrong in trying? Well, obviously there's nothing wrong and I can try. So let's see what happens. I have tried to work in an org like Postman, Async API, but let's see how far we can go. And obviously we are going to try a lot, and we have 3 or 4 months remaining, so that's not going to be a big deal for us. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I'm not going to say anything right now. We will take some time, um, learn how to work, how these things work, especially in these orgs like Rocket Chat, Postman Labs, and whole other organizations. So yep, let's start. Anyways, so as far as I know, there might be there is not that much time remaining, to be honest. So one of them is Rocket Chat, which I have forked. So let's see. Uh, let's go to the Rocket Chat. So there are a lot of issues that I need to work on. So one of them is usage. Let's check out the issues. Widget API, welcome message. Let's see what this issue states. So, hi there. We are using the widget API to register a visitor and assign a department and agent. We already know the name and email, so you want to automate this, which works great. However, we want to send an initial message from the agent, like a welcome message that is automated enough to be able to include name and email. The triggers functionality does not provide this, as well as it does not seem to play well with the widget API either. For example, this maximize widget function doesn't work with the chat opened by a visitor. I mean, I have to work to summarize. The idea is to register the visitor uh, programmatically and send an automated welcome message from an agent. Welcome, how can we help? Okay, do you have a solution for this? Let's see. Please note that GitHub is for issues in Rocket Chat, not general support. Please ask at. Obviously, you might want to check the Rocket API docs too. Kindly refrain from leaping in unless you really know what you are doing. Yeah, yeah. These people are just, I mean, everybody, generally the newer people try to contribute to the chat. Can I work on it? Can I do this? Can I do that? I don't think maintainers have that much time to pick everyone and say, oh yes, you can work on this. I mean, that's completely bullshit. You don't have to ask someone that, can I work on it? If you want to work on it, then just try to understand the issue, make a pull request, and see if the things work out or not. And that's how it goes. And I see a lot of people that they just keep asking and do nothing. Think I'll be able to implement this, okay? So then implement this, na? Then why are you asking to? I think I'll be able to implement this. I mean, that does not make sense. So what they are going to do? Yeah. If you think that you'll be implement this, then to go implement it. Why? Why are you saying this here? That yes, I can implement it. Then do something, na? Just make a pull request. I don't know these people. I just don't even know what they do, what they not. Anyways, so this might be a complex issue for me. As for now, I see this is a big issue, so I'm not really going to work on it right now. Let's see the other issues. What can I work on? Warning about deprecated parameter query on API causing excessive logging on CloudWatch. Okay, that's something we can work on. Warning about deprecated parameter query on API causing excessive logging on CloudWatch. Currently, because the number of logs are too large, I want to ask if there is a way to turn on off log warnings related to deprecated. When I use APIs with the query parameter, there will be warning log. For example, API settings public, server setup, listen type community, anyways, operating system deployment method, Docker. Okay. Desktop app. Okay, I see. Additional content there isn't. Okay. First upgrade now. There are security flaws in your version. Either use the latest 6.10 plus X or newer. Second, always test your issue on the latest version because they are unlikely to fix much on your version if a bug is found. So get a test VM. I don't know what VM stands for. Virtual machine maybe. Get a test. I don't know. Maybe. Next, have you checked your log settings in Rocket? Admin slash settings slash logs. What log level is that? We run on 6.13.0 and this has been in the logs for quite some time. Log level is 0, errors only. Okay, this might work out, this might not work out, no one knows. Okay, see, there are other issues. There is no way to access the contents of the input block. Really? See what this says. Okay, it looks like I found a bug and an understatement in the wiki. I don't even know anymore. The gist, I'm trying to pass the value of a text input block entered by the user. I need it in exactly that window since this is the data for forming a request. However, it seems there is simply no such way. And why is there a text input in the UI kit in this case? No one knows. Okay, let's see if what's the problem here. What is the code? Anyways, did he paste the whole code? Anyways, I don't think. There must be some way to pass the. Yes, I already know about the support. However, I cannot call the absence of the method anything other than a bug. Therefore, if I haven't found such a method, then just write it to me in response, simply correcting my code or pointing out the fundamental problem with it and why I could not use the method, which might work in other conditions. Thank you. Okay. Okay, there are no such comments. I think this is a recent one. Wills, I don't know. Where's he from? Let's see. Let's check out where's he from. Wow, nice. Anyways, I have nothing to do with it. If he thinks that it's going to work, then it's going to work. Anyways. Okay, okay. Fuck. That's not cool. Anyways, let's see issues. Yeah, okay, we are seeing issues. Okay, language change in Rocket Chat causes crashes or does not work for some languages. Let's see how it crashes. Okay, so what happens is when attempting to change the language in the Rocket Chat application, some languages do not update correctly. Which languages? The application correctly update the selected language or is actual Vivek. Changing to Hindi does not affect the language displayed. Selecting Punjabi causes the application to crash. Here is the error log you showed occurs while setting up the code flow. There are just some complex issues to make a call GC integration. Okay, we have encountered an issue with Jitsi calls. If every time we try to call another contact via Jitsi, the incoming or outgoing call pop-up window frequently does not appear. Sometimes the pop-up does appear and we can answer the call, but nothing happens. It does not even open a new browser tab for the Jitsi meeting room. Okay. See again. Hey, Luca versus it's an interesting issue to work on. I would like to work on this. I mean, why? Just why? Why? See, you haven't even tried whether it is actually a bug yet. Do some groundwork first. Obviously, the moderator is going to get mad. See, I mean, simply just commenting out that it's an interesting issue and I want to work. I mean, that does not make any sense, to be very honest. I mean, yes, I understand. You can ask some technical questions that how is working, how is not working. You can even, read some documentations, read the issue first, try to reproduce the issue and see what's wrong and what's not. Then you just comment na something. No, no, I have seen this issue. Oh my God, that's a very cool issue. I need to work on it. Why? And if you want it to work, then just work. Who says you to comment that, oh, I want to work on this? Anyway, uh, okay, so, oh my God. So it's going to. Uh, I was referring to not made. Before you can look at working on fixing something, you have to work out if you actually. In later persons are using. Hence my question. Please answer them. No, they are trying to find issues to work on, but don't realize you can't fix anything until you know exactly what is broken. I mean, that's exactly this. Read. Read is a moderator. Where is Valencia? Valencia. Capital of the province and autonomous community in the same name in Spain. It is third most populated municipality in the country. Okay, so in Spain. Okay. Hola amigo. Anyways, uh, means just reproduce this issue on at not meet site so to confirm if the issue is faced by everyone. Okay, if I have to say it. Anyway, uh, I don't think that the some issues that are tasked that goes to moderators. I think so that how it works because there are some issues that need the helping hands of the moderators or the not the contributors to the maintainers. So it might be what it see supporting Aussie on modal description. Okay. Refer to team. Okay. Obviously, I have said to. So team means the maintenance team, and we'll ask Fox to check. Anyways, I see there are a lot of people to work on. Okay, I see. Issue to make a call. I've seen random phantom ding dong door notification sounds occurring. Phantom ding dong, I don't know what's happening. Suspected memory leak. Suspected memory leak. According to my current use, the web version of the PC is client version. If open for online, there are many uses in this case for chatting. It will become special card mainly reflected in switching channels, typing. Find out a bug template with your server details or this will be ignored. Note that ChatGPT is not reliable and in this case almost certainly wrong. ChatGPT. I can really feel the maintenance pain here. I mean most people just follow Hacktoberfest or Google Summer of Code. Let it be whatever. They try to replicate any issue and just paste it directly on the chat GPT or any LLM. And whatever response they slightly adjust it so it does not look like it is generated by LLMs, but still the maintainers get that this is generated by LLM. They are not fools. So there might be some things that uh I mean people are literally weird. I don't know how should I say. Desktop notification not working correctly. This might be a good thing to work on. Desktop notification sound fails to work in Rocket Chat. Okay, after updating to Rocket Chat server version 6.11.0, I began noticing desktop stopped working. The issue persisted even after upgrading to version. Okay, update the Rocket Chat server to later. Okay, you can observe that no notification sounds when receiving direct message or channel message. Up or down slightly, save the adjust back to the Rocket Chat completed. Right click on the icon, reopen the app and terminate. Okay, so it might be operating system problem. Maybe, I don't know. Deployment method Docker, instances running okay, Node.js version okay, MongoDB okay, desktop app or browser version operating system. I don't know that's needed. I have this same exact behavior. Running Rocket Chat server 6.13 reported in ISO 1341. Yes or can wherever I see this, hey, please can we assign me this? I just want to ask why. Why people do this? I mean, just check out few issues. No one assigns issues. Because should we check if this issue can? Okay. Not now. Maybe probably. And desktop notification not working probably. Username highlight not working in notification. Username highlight not working in notification. When I use language in Rocket Chat, etc. CN mentions username is proper. Okay. So what's going on? Fix username. Okay, so I guess there is a pull request. Okay, I guess there is a pull request. So what has he done? Some checks were not by failing it skips on neutral checks. Okay, so कुछ तो show है यहाँ पे. And there's something wrong. Okay, we'll see what's wrong. Desktop notification not working probably. I've seen this issue. Presence indicator in the profile element stuck in away status. Presence indicator in the profile element stuck at away status. Uh, Presence indicator in user profile element menu gets stuck in away status after idling for the predefined time. This does not concern actual status visible to other users. This happens very often, but not always. I have not been able to pinpoint exactly where to reproduce reliably. Anyway, I will see. I means some issues are mobile app login does not work if TOTP is enabled. And what is TOTP? Couldn't. I was on a return auth failure. Can I, if I have TOTP enabled, try to enter correct user, click login. What is TOTP? I cannot reproduce the error with the auth provision system TOTP enabled. What is TOTP? I have to search TOTP. TOTP. What is this? Time-based one-time password. Time-based one-time password is a computer algorithm that generates one-time password. Okay. I guess it's okay. So it is a password generator in a computer. Yeah, if happens, I see it happens. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it not. Okay, David. Bro, that's Linux. And yeah, I mean, I know a bit of Linux. I don't know much. Enhanced navigation. Okay, I have seen this. Teams mentioned through add and slash hash is not working. See, okay, in Rocket Chat. See, with an enterprise license, when team is mentioned via add, the team does not receive mention steps to liberally create a team. For example, with the name test mention team one. Expected behaviors. The team got mentions tab. Servers operating system Ubuntu. Deployment is native with number of running instances one. Okay, detect node. Vadri Vishal Pathi, Indian. Software engineer sharing about my journey and learning in tech. Okay, let's see if he has some CBTI. Measuring programming progress by lines of code is like measuring aircraft building progress by weight. CMS, content management system. Okay, okay, okay. I don't know, but maybe these people are not something that I should know. Full stack developer, and this is a copied portfolio of Binit. Yes, this is Binit's portfolio. I have seen this, and I don't know why to log in. Why? And why do I need to log in your buggy portfolio so much? Expect. I don't know. There's the portfolio is but buggy. Okay, so I say that this is responsive, obviously, but oh my God, there's so many errors. So many errors. So many errors. So many. I mean, if you try to use frameworks, then it's going to okay. What's notification? Yeah, okay. Andrew Tate is live. I might see this one. All right. See what's going on here. Maybe not now. Maybe later. Okay. 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 See. Anyways, let's see. What can we do? There are something that we can do right here. Uh, so you ask this issues. What? Bro, are you? I mean, I have to say that this man is literally a menace. Literally a menace because he does not know what is he doing. Simply does not know. He's simply asking that should I I just want to know. Issues are never assigned. Work on anything you like, but be aware it may be being worked on internally as they have a separate internal system. Best you can do is test and try and repeat it. And if so, offer to submit a PR. Unlike many projects, GitHub is not the primary resource at Rocket Chat. It is very secondary. If you do produce a PR, there is no guarantee it will be accepted. Depends on their product sales and marketing. If an issue is set task, it has been referred to the initial team already. Maintenance become a bit rude with time. And I'm not saying that this is bad, but yeah, multiple codes do not add up to a singular block code. If there is an empty line in between, infinite scroll does not work to load history of history channels. There are so many issues. There are so many issues. What does it say? If you want to quote text consisting of multiple paragraphs, that is sentence delimited by empty lines, the coded lines do not add up to into singular quotes, rather the coded. So I'm just skimming through the issues. I'm not really trying to understand the issues in deep. I would obviously, I'm going to understand the issues deeply if I feel the issue is going to be a good issue. Infinite scroll does not work to load history of visited channels. Okay, so when you visit a channel and come back to it, you cannot load history. Infinite scroll not working as you cannot get previous messages. This bug is reproduced on maybe it's the web application. I guess so. Okay, my internet. Thanks. All right. All right. Okay. All right. Who has messaged me? Somebody has messaged me, I guess. Oh, anyways. Okay. Yeah. Here we can check it from. Okay. Uh. Mm, you might never know. It happens. Oh, what did that touch? Okay. Let me understand the issue first. What it says a bit more deeply. Uh. The project aims to implement automation for API documentation, generating, leveraging a suite tools for including TypeScript, API, Open APIs, and Swagger UI. Implement automation for API documentation. API documentation generator. Okay, so that is a GSOC issue. Leave it. That is a GSOC issue. Try to work on. Anyways, let's see what we can do and what we cannot. Anyways, some people need a bit of hand holding in the beginning, but I don't think it's a good part to, take some hand holding, and I'm not really in support of that thing. Anyways, I don't know what's going on. Anyways, so this issue is a part of a Google Summer of Code project. So I don't think it would be wise to work on this issue because somebody else is getting paid to work on this issue. So they are meant to actually fix if anything goes wrong here. And I don't think if you need other people to work on this. And they might have a separate team for the GSOC issue, and they have few people. So I don't think that this would be a good issue to work for anybody. And I don't know, I might be wrong, but for me, I think this might be the best way to attempting to save live chat appearance fails. Okay, task. So everything is task, I guess, no sound for desktop notification. We are seeing the same issue. Okay. You need to fill in your own server info. We have no idea if your systems are identical or not. You may have an entirely different issue. Me too is no is without absolute specifics. If it is browser too, I would look at your operating system other than Rocket. Can you try on your different OS? Anyways, update the Rocket chat server to this. You can observe receiving direct messages or channel messages. I don't know. I use Rocket Chat with off notifications, so it does not really matter. But yeah, if things go wrong, then I might start working on it. Compatibilities. Rocket Web not supported on Android 9 native web. Android 9, I guess it's too old to get supported, right? Eval was around on general by no longer supported by Google, and as a result, I'm not sure this will get fixed. No, Rocket and Meteor are about to have a big upgrade, which make it even more unlikely it will get fixed. Yep, that's not going to work anyway. Okay, type bug, need help. Uh, no push notification, waiting response. Community PR. Simplified Chinese. The font of the web UI is not suitable for Chinese. I guess it is tasked, maybe not. I don't know. Who knows what's going on and what's not? There are just a lot of issues that needs to be worked on, and for now we don't even know which issues to work on. Anyways, all right. So okay, so tomorrow what we will do is to set up the issue locally and see what goes on and what might be the thing that we need to work on, and we will try to reproduce some issues that might be good to work on. Let's see if the thing goes on. I mean, let's see. So it's the one issue that I want to work on, and let's check the async API, the second one that I want to work on. mm, anyway, async API. Oh, okay. Anyways, let's go. Mm, mm. So yeah, spec I can work on it. Spec. Oh, GitHub as a script all contributors spec. This is, I guess, just a file to, I mean, okay, these specs are just the, I mean, README file or documentations. I guess so. I mean, the latest draft specification can be found. The human readable markdown file is the source of truth for the specification. Click to see reference link or older to the. Okay, so there are a lot of specifications. All right. I see what's is going on. So okay, so this is the part that we need to work on is the generator. So in generator we have a lot of issues and see which issue we can work. Yeah, I think API generate literally anything, markdown documentation, Node.js code, HTML documentation, anything. Okay, so let's see. Async API generator. This is a monorepo managed by using turbo repo. Here turbo repo contains the following package. This is turbo repo. I turbo repo makes it happen. Turbo is an incremental bundler and build system optimized JavaScript and TypeScript written in Rust. All right. All right, let's see what we can do and what this one. Ah, fuck. I have closed that tab. Why am I so dumb? I'm literally so dumb. I just need to die. Anyways, let's see. All right, guys. It would be a thanks, everyone. So tomorrow what will we do is to make some new issues. I mean, not make some new issues, but try to update the, I mean, try to set up the code locally on my machine and try to work on some issues if we can, because GSOC is coming soon and we have to make some contributions. Not like silly contributions like readme updates, Jai Sri Ram. We are not going to do this. We are going to try to make some useful contributions that are going to help. And see, there is no guarantee. I don't know how to pronounce guaranteed. There's no guaranteed way to, be a part of GSOC. At the end, I can just try. That's all I can do. And if it works out, then great. I will be a part of GSOC. But if it does not the end of the world. I can apply next year. I have other things to do like freelancing and sort of other things, and I can still make projects. I can still do YouTube. I can still do a lot of things. So, yep, that's how it's going to work. Thanks for anyone who tuned in. And, anyways, if no one tuned in, then it's completely all right because, so why do I make this video live streams and why I have started this? Is simply just to improve my English, and that's all. That's all. That's the sole reason I have started, because there was no need for me to start a YouTube channel and just yap. Nope, there was no reason. I just started it just because I wanted to improve my speaking English. So that's all. Anyways, thanks everyone. All right, see ya tomorrow. See ya.